Hi, we are going to talk about the recent research that we performed at the Hackspora Hackathon that was conducted in Garbaham Academy of Higher Education. So, ma'am, the first thing is that we really don't trust everything that we see online today. Because there's a lot of misinformation, deep fakes, fake news that spreads all over the internet so fast that breaks the trust among the institution, social media, and even in the democracy. So the real-time example is that in Twitter, the fake news spreads 7 times greater than the or faster than the real news during the election times. And in the WhatsApps, the voice messages, the videos, and the images that triggers the individuals, which comes out when the individuals lost their life. So these are the problems that we wanted to sort it
So
out.
these are the areas you empathized with.
Yeah.
So could you able to tell me what are the who are the users to whom you are going to sell this?
Yeah, so not only the higher officials or anything, the normal people or normal individuals can use our website to overcome the fake news.
So it will be more useful for like the individuals.
Yeah.
Okay. Whether it can be used for media persons.
Yeah, of course, ma'am. Because as I said before, the fake news is spread faster than the real news is. So the individuals affected by it, lot of individuals affected by it. So the higher officials can use it.
Okay. So you are going to give only for the higher officials and not to individuals, or is there any separate blogging for higher officials? This can be able to see. For individual, you can able to likewise any windows or any separate logins you are
No,
creating.
it is applicable for everyone.
Everyone. Okay. So how about how about you are coming for this problem statement? How you are coming with a definition?
To particularly define about this project, we have enhanced it with machine language code, which is very useful for the user to. It's actually shows the output in a more accurate time. Just with the 99.9% accuracy, we have a.
You got it.
Yes.
Okay. So is there any limitations or any challenges you faced while doing it?
Yes, ma'am. Actually, we did on API before.
Okay.
After reading the problem statement, again we know about that we want to use only machine learning model. So then we used the machine learning and we came to the solution.
Okay. So how about did you take the part of the ideating? So in which platform or in which tool you are mainly do focus on?
We mainly used models, ML models. ML models, we used DuckDuckGo search.
Okay.
And it implemented the own ML model.
So you implement your
Own model.
So
It
how
has-
much time do you take to continue?
It's currently it's running because it needs it will continuously run because it needs knowledge, current knowledge.
Oh yes, yes.
It will develop continuously. Like if you go Google will continuously will train itself
Okay.
by getting knowledge, current knowledge from social medias and other news web pages. All the websites are connected to the ML model. So it will when we give an input or information, it checks throughout all the website and compare with all the things and provide a correct and
Correct format.
correct format.
So my question is like, this is for entirely for like on you are giving for the higher officials only. Then individuals we can able to that individual social people can use it. Okay. Apart from it is benefited to the media journalists like they can able to get it more faster than that individual. Is there any options like that, or could you able to make it possible like that?
Yes, ma'am. In our website, ma'am, it's not searching one resource, ma'am. It's
Okay.
searching multiple resources to check whether it is true information or fake information. This whether true information, then journals can be 100% startups can be publishing their articles, ma'am.
Okay.
So it's searching up overall up to 150 magazines, newspapers, etc. ma'am. Example, we prototype example showing, ma'am. This is our website layout, ma'am.
Okay.
Just we analyzing how we having two models. First of all, fast news checking. For example, whether the news is original and fake, ma'am. Then another is the image. Now trending the images, no ma'am. The images whether real image or fake image.
Okay. Oh, there are AI generated images also now
Yes, ma'am.
going. So
Now real image, image, ma'am, that we can check ma'am whether it is
whether
true or
if you
fake.
can able to get back like this is an AI image or like this,
No, we
But
can't decode it. Only we can
Fine.
whether it is true or false,
False,
only
yes.
true. Okay, okay. But if you find right now you made it like this,
Yes,
is there any possibility we can make it to that?
yes,
Yes,
we
ma'am,
can
there are
make it.
possible.
There are people can make it if
Nothing is
you.
impossible, ma'am.
Okay. If you get time, you can make it whether it is AI generated or original. Likewise, you can
Yes,
tell.
ma'am, we can
tell
make
it.
it.
Okay, okay.
So, first example sample we give English ma'am. Example you accept type of news.
Any like
Any
any
news.
news, getting an institution
Any
or
fake
whatever.
news or any news ma'am in mind. Yes, ma'am. Example Rajendran is English ma'am. We providing also multiple language supports now.
Okay.
This example we know itself which is English now. Then analyze news ma'am. It will analyze in all the website ma'am.
It do explain the reason, ma'am,
Okay.
and the source which the output is from.
Yeah, there is
It's mistake ma'am. It's age is 75 ma'am. Then it will give also the evidence of the report ma'am.
Okay, 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 okay. Got it, got it.
Yes, so,
It will give the correct information regarding more precisely the
And it
pattern of
also produce the confidence level.
confidence level ma'am.
With this concept, we can find if confidence level is low, we can say we don't need to believe these information.
Okay, got it, got it, got it.
So we can differentiate.
Okay.
It whether it's a fake or
Fake or
partially fake.
partially fake or fake or partially
Partially
fake also.
fake.
And also the whether it will give you the correct news like since I have given it the 80 plus, so it given the 75 right now.
Yes.
Likewise, it will give to every
Every
yeah.
news ma'am. Example, it will not sometimes it is also give original source info also.
Okay, got it. Okay, very good, nice. Thank you.
Thank you
Thank you
so
so
much.
much.